Hello everyone, welcome to Building Trading Algorithms with Python by Pact Publishing. This course is co-created by Harish Garg and Mithun Lakshanswamy. I'm Harish Garg. Mithun and I have been programming in Python for a long time now. We have created and published multiple courses on Python topics. This course is about building trading algorithms in Python. This course teaches all the concepts in a very practical hands-on approach without burdening you with lots of theory. We are going to implement the problems in Python. You will start with learning the basics of trading algorithms. By the end, you would have learned how to build and test trading algorithms for trading stocks, futures, or Forex. To follow along this course, you will need a Mac, Linux, or a Windows computer. To follow the code demos in the course, you should be familiar with Python. A basic knowledge of Python is sufficient to follow the code from this course. You should have Python 3.x installed on the computer, as all the coding demos use that version. In section 1, we will learn about the benefits of developing a trading bot to programmers. We will learn about how to handle data for trading in Python. We will learn how to use Python and pandas with time series data, and we will learn about order types and short selling. In section 2, we will learn how to develop the automated stock trader module for our trading stocks. We'll be implementing the stock market analysis in Python. We'll be designing our trading algorithm for selling and buying stocks. In section 3, we will learn how to design and develop a trading module exclusively focused on traditional assets like commodities, bonds, etc. We will see how to design the trading logic using Python. We will code in different types of orders to be catered by the algorithm. We will learn how to manage volatility, and we will be test running the algorithm and code for different traditional assets. In section 4, we will learn how to design and develop a trading module exclusively focused on Forex trading. We'll program Forex market hours into our algorithm. We'll see how to draw and analyze trend lines for different currencies. We'll learn about supply and demand in Forex trade. And we will learn how to do trend analysis or step-by-step chart analysis for buying and selling Forex. This course is suitable for anybody with a basic knowledge of Python and want to learn how to build and test trading algorithms in Python. By the end of this course, you will know how to get and import stocks data or futures and Forex data into Python. You will have learned and set up the tools, modules, and platform access to do algorithmic trading. You will know how to analyze stocks, Forex, and futures data. You will know how to build and test trading algorithms. I hope that you enjoy this course. With the basics out of the way, we can jump right in and get started with our first section.